Zimbabwe's Anti-Corruption Commission has been hacked from the inside. The hacker is still in control of its social media account since it got hacked on Friday last week. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. In an alarming turn of events, the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, ZACC, lost control of its X account to a hacker claiming to be an insider. This anonymous hacker didn't mince words, accusing ZACC of failing to act on rampant corruption, particularly pointing fingers at prominent businessman Wicknell Chivayo. Analysts suggest this breach signifies deep-seated frustration within the Commission itself and raises concerns about political interference. It's a stark reminder of the urgent need for robust IT security and comprehensive digital policies within state institutions. As the story unfolds, the spotlight is now on ZACC to respond decisively. Will this incident spark the reforms desperately needed to restore integrity and trust? Stay tuned for more updates.